Hello friends, welcome to our second video this week, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can format your raw data into a nice looking table using Microsoft Excel. My name is Mercy Consolata Kello. Let's get started. So given that you have some raw data in your Excel workbook, what you're going to do is to come to the Home tab, and then under Styles, you select Format as Table. And then you have light, medium, and dark. So you can choose any of these options. And then you'll be having your table formatted. Let's go with this. So it pops up this window. So here it's just basically asking you where is the data for your table. So it has actually highlighted where our data is. So you can just tell it okay. If this is not checked, you have to check the box so that it recognizes that the table contains headers. If you do not include it, then it will consider the headers as part of the data. So make sure to check it. Then you just click OK. And as you can see, your data has been formatted into a table. So you can change to something else, different color. You can come here and scroll down for more options. So that's it about formatting tables using Microsoft Excel. If you enjoyed the content, give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're posted on new videos. Thank you and happy learning.